Hello everyone, Mambo VP. So welcome again to my YouTube channel. So we are going to have our third lesson, and this lesson is going to be based on introduction. So I just choose we learn how to introduce yourself in form of question. So without wasting your time, let's go to the point number one. First of all, I want you to be aware like introduction itself means utambulisho. Utambulisho. So when someone say introduce yourself means jitambulishe. So today we are going to learn on introduction. Let's go to point number one. Point number one says, what is your name? What is your name in English? So this sentence in Swahili, you can say, jina lako ni nani? Jina lako ni nani? So this is a question. And the responses are, my name is Helena. This is in English. So in Swahili is going to be, jina langu ni Helena. Jina langu ni Helena. Are we together? So let's go to the point number two. Point number two says, where are you from? Where are you from? In Swahili, the question is, unatoka wapi? Unatoka wapi? So the response are, I'm from Nevada. This is in English. In Swahili, ninatoka Nevada. Ninatoka Nevada. So this is the correct way of answering to this question. And also, number three is, do you speak English? In Swahili, it will be, unaongea Kiingereza? Unaongea Kiingereza? Unaongea Kiingereza? The response are, yes, I speak English. In Swahili, ndiyo, ninaongea Kiingereza. Ndiyo, ninaongea Kiingereza. So this is the correct way of answering to these questions above. And I choose this because it's going to be very short. And from there, you'll be able to communicate a little bit with someone in Swahili. So welcome again. We will have our next lesson tomorrow morning, South Africa time. So